Hello everyone, it's day 36. Today I started my day with javascript.info. Decided to go back to that rather than eloquent JavaScript just because, I don't know, it really wasn't useful for me anyway. I may still every now and then read their chapter, but still go back to javascript.info to see whatever they were trying to explain that I didn't understand. But anyway, I did, what was it? Methods of primitives, and then I went over the number data type. In JavaScript.info, I did all the tasks at the bottom. And then after that, I went back to my Udemy course, the complete JavaScript Beginner to Advanced by Maximilian. I can't pronounce his last name, but that's the one I'm using. I did the more on function section, and then I almost finished the DOM manipulation section. He has it broken up into two parts, so it was really just a DOM, not really any events. But it was so interesting. I'm just as fascinated with the DOM as I am with CSS. I don't know, maybe it's the visual, because I can directly see what I'm doing, but I thought it was really cool. And just compared to a month and a half ago when I called myself learning the DOM when I was following the Odin project, if I really took the time and learned all the different things we can do back then, those projects would have been so much easier. Mind you, yes, I solved them barely, but I don't know. I just look in the beginning of my journey, I was rushing. And I feel like as a beginner, a lot of people feel the need to just learn everything, kind of, so that they can put it on their resume. They know 10 things, but really haven't mastered any of them. So this time around, I have a different approach. I'm really working with the top three, really four: HTML, CSS. I like Sass, so I decided to learn Sass as well. And now I'm on JavaScript. And then I'm taking JavaScript all the way to the end. The end of my Udemy course actually has a pretty decent section on Node.js, so I'm going to see what that's about. But I'm going to do all that before I even consider learning React or learning a framework. And I'm going to shoot my shot applying and see what happens. And then after that, then I'll worry about, all right, maybe learn React or whatever. But yeah, that's just my strategy personally. Everybody's different. Please don't be in the comments. You need to learn a framework. Cool, do you. That I'm doing me. Anyway, but yeah, so far a good day. I actually thought about something else for a side project for my portfolio. I just need to get to the part about learning how to work with an API because that would make it useful. But yeah, so far a good day. I can't wait to get up tomorrow and finish this DOM section. And then I think I decided I'm going to break up my day, start my day reading javascript.info. It's kind of like the more boring part of the day. Probably do at least one or two sections until I kind of get tired of reading off a screen. Then I'll switch it up, go back to my Udemy course and just break it up that way rather than trying to do all of one thing one day. And I don't know, that kind of burns me out a little bit. So yeah, kind of break up my day a little bit. But yeah, so far, good day.